Hi everybody, Doug Davis at Cowtown here, and this week is our open house week. Just thought I'd show you a little preview. It is the deer season is right upon us. A lot of bow hunting going on now. We have a lot of new and used ATVs, UTVs, Maverick Sports. Now part of our big fall sale is definitely used spiders, used motorcycles. Got a lot of this nice stuff right here, a lot of low mileage stuff as well. But we'll be running a major sale on this stuff. Nice Harley sitting there, nice Kawasaki. Like I say, spiders, we got a lot of used spiders, massive rebates on new spiders, up to $3,500 on 2019s. Got the Maverick X3s. But anyway, stay tuned. Open house week here at Cowtown. There will be a live radio remote here on Friday afternoon. There's another Harley sitting here in the corner. But anyway, a lot of deals going out the door. We will be running 3-year warranties on our used UTVs. That is right. Any used UTV here at Cowtown, we'll leave here with a 3-year warranty. So stay tuned for our big fall sales event.